Hello friend, this is Nanjing Baowen Company. I'm Kevin, and for now I'm going to introduce you a 40 cubic meters oxygen filling plant, and it's also a container type. So let's go. Okay, as you can see, this first one is an air compressor. The air will come through this way, and then through all this piping to a primary air storage tank. And then here will be 4 filters. This is a dryer, oxygen tank, and our main oxygen generator to separate the air and the nitrogen. Oh, here is a oxygen tank. The perfect 95% oxygen will be stored in this tank. And then the oxygen will passing this piping to the boosters, and the booster will pressure the oxygen to the cylinders. Okay, here is the final destination. No matter your cylinders is 40 liters or 50 liters, you can use this one to fill your cylinders. And by the way, for these container type oxygen generators, we can install everything for you, so you don't have to install in your site. Okay.